Hello everyone, this is Jinju at kimchimarie.com. Today I'm going to share how to make Misugaru drink. So it seems the ones that are on the internet usually mix everything together, and that caused me to make this video because that's not how I grew up eating Misugaru. The best way to eat it or drink it is first to make some honey water, like so. So I added about 1.5 tablespoon of honey to room temperature water. If the water is too cold, it's much harder to dissolve the honey. So we do that first. And then you can also do sugar water. You can add about 2 teaspoons to a cup of water. So this is 1 cup of water and honey. And then we'll put that in a bowl. You can do it in a cup, but the way I'm going to show you how I grew up drinking, the best way is to use a bowl like this one and add the honey water. And then we're going to add some ice because it does taste good cold, but it's just best to add the ice later. So we're going to add about, I think, 6 cubes of ice that I'm adding here. And then we just top it with the Misugaru. So the secret here is don't mix it all like a shake. Then you just get a really thick drink that I personally don't enjoy. You might like it, but at least try it this way, and I hope you will get to taste what I mean. So just sprinkle about 3 tablespoons of Misugaru on top of the ice honey water. And don't mix everything in, just mix enough so that the bottom liquid is somewhat flavored, but we want some of the Misugaru to be floating on top. And the way you enjoy it is like this. You can spoon the Misugaru drink like that, and it is so good, the nuttiness of the powder. So you get 3 different textures, right? You get the liquid and the powder, and those little lumps that you see, they will actually pop in your mouth, and you get this wonderful sort of pop of flavor. And here's my husband. I recruited him, so we show you how you can drink it from the bowl. That's how we grew up. He was so happy that he got to do this for me. So yeah, drink it from a bowl, drink it from a glass, but bowl is best. So before we go, I wanted to explain a little bit about the multigrain powder that we call Misugaru. So traditionally, Misugaru was mainly made with roasted sweet rice, and barley flour. These days, they make it with 10 roasted grains, like here, 12, 20 even, and we add soybeans, black soybeans, all sorts of different grains and beans to increase the protein and nutrition. So here's one package that I bought, and you can read the contents and see which one you like. It's very fine powder, so one thing that you have to be careful when you drink it, don't breathe in when you drink, because the flour may kind of choke you a little bit. Otherwise, enjoy. Here's one made with milk, 3/4 cup milk, 2.5 teaspoons sugar, 3 tablespoons of Misugaru. This one, it's actually better if you mix it pretty well. Well, don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy!